Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is car accident lawyers, auto accident attorneys. Car accidents can be traumatic and life-altering experience. They can result in physical injuries, emotional distress and financial burdens. If you or a loved one has been involved in a car accident, it is important to seek the guidance of an experienced or accident lawyer. A car accident lawyer specializes in handling cases related to the car accidents. They have the knowledge and experience to navigate the complexities of insurance, claims, medical bills, and legal proceedings. Hiring a car accident lawyer can help you to receive the compensation you deserve and ensure that your rights are protected. What a car lawyer does. A car accident lawyer will investigate the accident, gather evidence, and insurance companies on your behalf. They will also represent you in a court if necessary. Some of the specific tasks a car accident lawyer may perform include investigating the accident. A car accident lawyer will gather evidence such as police reports, witness statements, and medical records to build a strong case. Representing you in a court. If the insurance company refuses to offer a fair statement, a car accident lawyer will represent you in a court and fight for your rights, communicating with other parties. A car accident lawyer will communicate with other parties involved in the accidents, such as other drivers, witnesses, and insurance adjusters. Benefits of hiring a car accident lawyer. Hiring a car accident lawyer can provide numerous benefits, including knowledge and experience. Car accident lawyers have the knowledge and experience to complex the legal and insurance system. Maximize compensation. A car accident lawyer will work to ensure that you receive the maximum compensation for your injuries and damages. Objectivity. A car accident lawyer can provide an objective perspective on your case and make decisions based on what is best for you.